Today we are going to mint NFT for free without any gas fees. In a very easy way. With this 2 minutes video you can learn how to make your own NFT. Now let's get started. First open the browser in your phone and write down OpenSea website. Then go to the menu bar and connect your wallet in your OpenSea account. I use MetaMask, so I'm gonna connect my wallet into OpenSea. Then click on creat and add your arts or any pics you want to mint as a NFT. Write the name for NFT. Write the description. And choose your collection. In here you should choose polygon, then click create. Now we minted the NFT. The second step is to sell it on the blockchain. Click and sell button and write the amount for that NFT which you want to sell. You can see the fee is free, but when it sell out then 2.5% will be cut from the selling out, but think it's very fine for the beginners to create and mint for free. Now click complete listing. Here you need to click inside as it goes message to blockchains. Now it's totally minted, ready for sell, so let's go and check it out in our OpenSea application. Here it is. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it would be a great video for you guys. I also mentioned my first NFTs collection. You can check it out. I listed the link in the description.